If you think the strongest Marvel character is Scarlet Witch, you're wrong. Yeah, she's insanely powerful, reality warping, chaos magic in multiverse level threat. But in the comics, power scaling gets crazy. For example, Doctor Doom once stole the power power of the Beyonder and become basically a good god. Still, that's not the top. The real strongest character, the one above all. This is this is Marvel's literal supreme being, creator of the entire multiverse, omnipotent, omniscient, untouchable. So no, Scarlet Witch isn't the strongest, but here is the real question: Are we talking more MCU or full comic canon? Because that changes everything. Who do you think is the strongest Marvel character? Comment your answer. Most may mention name next video.